Mysterious AI breakthrough known as Q by OpenAI. Welcome to our video on OpenAI's Q AI breakthrough. Get ready to explore the revolutionary capabilities of OpenAI's secret project called Q and the General Autonomous Reasoning Agent, GARA. Introduction. OpenAI revolutionized the field of science and technology with a groundbreaking breakthrough in artificial intelligence, ushering in a new era of innovation. The pioneering development of this technology has completely transformed the AI field, providing an exciting glance into its limitless future possibilities. OpenAI's achievement shows us that cleverly designed systems can imitate human thinking and decision-making. It pushes the limits of what we believe is possible. OpenAI's success has shown how AI can greatly improve healthcare, transportation, and energy efficiency. However, while the implications of this breakthrough are undeniably exciting, our understanding of its far-reaching effects is still incomplete. Therefore, we must conduct a comprehensive analysis of OpenAI's groundbreaking discovery to fully comprehend the wider ramifications it will have on our society. 2. Introduction to OpenAI. OpenAI, a world-renowned research organization, is leading the charge in the development of advanced AI technologies. Since its inception in 2015, OpenAI has made incredible strides in advancing the field of artificial intelligence. OpenAI has achieved great success in building advanced AI systems. They have created language models like GPT-3 and developed deep reinforcement learning frameworks like evolution strategies. OpenAI has played a vital role in advancing AI technology and unlocking its limitless potential through its impressive collection of research papers and groundbreaking applications. 3. Overview of the video. OpenAI's latest breakthrough in AI research, dubbed Q, is a revolutionary development with far-reaching implications. Q is a framework for reinforcement learning. It helps AI systems learn from their environment without manual programming or human intervention. It is designed to enable autonomous, self-teaching AI agents to become proficient at completing complex tasks. OpenAI's capability to develop algorithms has allowed them to surpass human performance in classic Atari games and achieve superhuman performance in chess and Go. Q's potential capacity to empower AI agents across various domains is remarkable. It can revolutionize healthcare, finance, education, and robotics. Although this technology has unlimited possibilities, it is vital to acknowledge Q's limitations. These include the need for extensive datasets and computational resources to ensure accurate outcomes. 4. Understanding Q AI breakthrough. By leveraging a deep reinforcement learning approach, AI systems can understand, reason, and adapt autonomously to diverse situations. This powerful technology has the potential to transform the way businesses operate, enabling more efficient and accurate decision-making processes. It could also open new areas for AI applications, such as autonomous vehicles and robotic assistants. However, it is still necessary to consider the social and ethical implications of the Q AI breakthrough. Ethical considerations must be placed at the forefront of its development to ensure that potential applications are not used maliciously. Additionally, questions must be asked regarding the impact of the Q AI breakthrough on human jobs and society. Now more than ever, it is critical to assess whether or not this technology can be used responsibly and safely. 5. Significance of Q. The true significance of Q lies in its incredible capacity to tackle intricate problems, make well-informed decisions, and spur groundbreaking solutions across diverse industries, which could bring us closer to achieving true artificial general intelligence, AGI. AI is divided into narrow systems that excel in specific tasks, such as image recognition or language translation. AI systems have made progress and are used in various industries. However, they cannot generalize knowledge or perform a wide range of tasks, which is an essential part of AGI. Q** stands out due to its goal of developing a system capable of performing a wide range of intellectual tasks, similar to a human, rather than being restricted to specific areas or functions. It can quickly and accurately analyze and synthesize large amounts of data, which is very valuable for businesses that want to use data-driven insights. Moreover, Q can uncover new opportunities by identifying relationships between disparate sets of data, which may have otherwise remained hidden. This holistic approach sets Q** apart from other advancements in the field, as it provides a more comprehensive framework for developing AGI. 6. Applications of Q. The applications of Q are vast and diverse, ranging from healthcare and finance to transportation and beyond. Q is an innovative technology that has far-reaching implications in modern life. Incorporating quantum computing principles, it can solve complex problems faster and more accurately than traditional approaches. Problem solving in science and research. GARA's advanced reasoning capabilities make it an invaluable tool for scientific research. GARA accelerates scientific discovery by analyzing complex data, identifying patterns, and generating hypotheses. The incredible capacity to analyze immense volumes of data empowers researchers to discover novel perspectives and revolutionary advancements, propelling significant progress across diverse scientific domains. Enhancing decision-making in business and finance. GARA's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data becomes a game-changer in business and finance. It can identify trends, predict market behavior, and optimize resource allocation, improving business outcomes. By leveraging GARA's analytical prowess, small business owners can gain a competitive edge, make informed decisions, and drive sustainable growth. Personalized assistance in healthcare. Imagine a healthcare system where personalized treatment plans are effortlessly generated. With its adaptability and access to the latest medical research, GARA can assist healthcare professionals by analyzing patient data, identifying potential diagnoses, and recommending tailored treatment plans. This personalized assistance can potentially improve patient outcomes, enhance healthcare efficiency, and drive advancements in medical care. Creative applications in art and design. GARA's reasoning capabilities extend beyond logical problem-solving. AI can be a creative partner in art and design. It generates new ideas, helps with artistic creation, and provides useful insights for design improvement. With GARA's adaptability and understanding of human preferences, the possibilities for artistic innovation are endless. By collaborating with GARA, artists and designers can unlock new creative possibilities and push the boundaries of artistic expression. As Q technology develops, its applications will become more widespread and transformative. It holds tremendous potential to revolutionize how we work and live, driving innovation and efficiency across many fields. However, its success hinges on its ability to be adopted by end users and integrated into existing systems. To make this a reality, organizations must prioritize educating their workforce on the fundamentals of quantum computing, enabling them to grasp the immense possibilities of this rapidly emerging technology. Only then can we truly unlock the possibilities of Q and the opportunities it presents. 7. Potential impact of Q. Embodying a wide range of advanced capabilities enables ultra-efficient and accurate decision-making while eliminating human error. This powerful AI can be applied to limitless scenarios, including healthcare, finance, logistics, and more. Advancing scientific discoveries. By accelerating the pace of scientific discovery, GARA has the potential to unlock breakthroughs in various fields. This can lead to advancements in medicine, technology, and beyond, benefiting small businesses through innovation and collaboration. The profound impact of GARA on scientific research presents opportunities for small businesses to leverage cutting-edge advancements and drive industry-wide innovation, improving business efficiency and decision-making. GARA's ability to analyze complex data and make informed decisions significantly improves business efficiency. This translates into cost savings, increased productivity, and better strategic planning for small business owners. By integrating GARA into their operations, small businesses can enhance their competitive positioning, respond proactively to market dynamics, and achieve sustainable growth. Revolutionizing healthcare and personalized medicine. The personalized assistance provided by GARA has the potential to revolutionize patient care. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data and staying up to date with medical research, GARA can assist healthcare professionals in providing more accurate diagnoses and tailored treatment plans. Small businesses operating in the healthcare sector can harness GARA's capabilities to improve patient outcomes, optimize resource allocation, and drive advancements in personalized medicine. Thus, Q is set to play a significant role in transforming our world into a more intelligent society. 8. Ethical considerations. It's important to consider ethics when using AI, including privacy, bias, and job displacement, to deploy the Q-AI system responsibly and inclusively. AI technology, like the Q-AI system, is exciting and powerful. However, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of any artificial intelligence. To develop and deploy technology responsibly, we must address ethical concerns like privacy, bias, and potential job loss. To use this technology responsibly, we need to understand its capabilities. But we also need to explore and analyze its ethical implications on society. From a privacy standpoint, the ability to collect large amounts of data about people's behavior is a significant concern. Given that QAI systems can learn from experiences and extract valuable insights from the data they gather, it is of utmost importance to guarantee that these systems do not retain or manipulate individuals' data in a manner that may be perceived as exploitative or invasive. We must also consider how bias may be generated from this data collection process. When an AI system has access to biased data, it's crucial to analyze how that bias can influence its decisions and the potential impact those decisions can have on people's lives. We need to support people who may lose their jobs because of the introduction of AI systems and ensure that safety nets are in place. We must carefully analyze the ethical implications of implementing the QAI system. This is important to ensure that the technology is used responsibly and inclusively. We must address these issues to create a framework for responsible development and deployment of this technology while protecting against negative impacts. 9. Future possibilities. The potential to address intricate issues with unparalleled precision and swiftness holds the potential to create a groundbreaking era of application in the days to come. With its ability to integrate with existing systems, analyze data at lightning speed, and generate informed decisions autonomously, the possibilities are abundant and far-reaching. Businesses of all sizes already use Q to become more efficient, save money, and gain a strategic advantage. With the continuous evolution of technology and the growing popularity of Q, we will inevitably experience a surge in groundbreaking applications that will fundamentally transform our world. Conclusion. OpenAI's Q-AI breakthrough represents a significant milestone in the evolution of artificial intelligence, AI. This breakthrough is a turning point in AI application. It opens the door to innovations and uses. Researchers have developed Q to make machines capable of thinking and reasoning beyond their pre-programmed instructions to make informed decisions and solve complex problems. By taking a step beyond traditional rule-based AI systems, this breakthrough has opened the door to a host of possibilities. These include automation of routine tasks, applications in healthcare and finance, and increased efficiency in day-to-day operations. It also holds great potential for navigation, robotics, and predictive analytics. Furthermore, Q also promises to revolutionize the AI industry by making it more accessible and cost-effective. Q can make AI accessible to businesses and individuals by simplifying processes and offering affordable, high-quality services. This project will greatly impact technology and change the field of AI in the future. To learn more about OpenAI's Q AI breakthrough and stay updated with the latest advancements, visit openai.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you all the best in your data-driven endeavors. Until next time, happy marketing!